What's up guys, Courage Hunter here and welcome back to another Scavenge Empire. And today we're gonna find, oh my god, there we go, not find, we're gonna make a cow farm. I mean not a cow farm, a farm. Okay, where should I put it? Eeny, miny, mo, where should I put my cow? Not cow, but the farm. Here we go. This is the perfect place. So let's start building. We will pick all of we will fix all of these later. And for the guy who named Blaze YT, thanks for always thumb for your always because you always thumbs up on my video. Hope I can see you in person because I want to play my Scourge Empire with you. Thanks, thanks, bro. Tell your friends to subscribe now, cause I don't want the. I know they don't want to lose my videos. Mm, there we go. There we go. Okay, it's only one thing to do, and this is it. Are you ready? Come on, cows. It's pretty funny, but my house looks ugly. Oh my god, cows, come here, cows, come here. Okay, come here, come here, come here, come here. Shake up, come on, all of you. Are they following me? Okay, you need to get here. Okay, let's just. No way, this is got all wrong. Oh my god. Okay, push this cow, and then we go. And then we go. I love you cows, but this is it. There we go. Oh my god. Come here. No, come here. Don't run away, baby. Okay, we will copy the TDM after we breed. We kill. Oh my god, wait a minute, guys. I knew. How many babies? Two babies, okay. That's it. And I mentioned that my house is ugly, so we're gonna move more secret, not secret, this room for about. Guys, I'm stuck. The zombie locked me. Oh my god, guys, we need to go right now. Impostors! I don't have a sword. I'm gonna fight back. Come on. Come on, zombies. Don't be shy. There we go. There we go, there we go. There we go. There we go. Oh my god. Stay out of my house. Why did I kill him? Okay. I need to plan this. Oh, that's it. I was thinking of moving it, but let's just do this. Get, 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 get. And then we go by two, right? Yeah, that's cool. And the man who can't be moved. This pretty big hole. There we go. Let me just throw this. So it's locked now. All those glass panes I make, there's only 19 left. I don't know what am I doing right now. I still guys need to do something with this, so leave what you want for me to do in this room in the comment section below, and I will see you guys. No, I'm not ending this video yet. Think we can get there without no fall damage? Yes! Okay, get this. We need the steak. We need the steak right now, so I'm breeding the cows. So I will release them once we get too many. What? There's a party in my lab. No, there's a party in my lab without me. Sorry. He's partying with no one. Maybe he see my dog, so he's freaking out, but I don't know. He's partying. Oh my god, the poisonous potato. Let me just eat this. And there we go. Nicely. Oh my god, zombie villager. Traerus. Traerus is now zombie. Oh my god. Happy 25 subscribers for me. But our deal is to be 50. So subscribe all your account here to be 50. But don't tell anyone. Haha. No. Just tell your friends to subscribe. And they will see. So that will be appreciated, and I don't know, thumbs up for me and thumbs up for you guys. I didn't notice. What is the half of 41? I don't know. Let's just eat one. I just there we go. Let's put it here, 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 and this and this. There we go, and then we smelt this up. So it's tie. Let's go kill one of the cow now. Let's do that. Let's do that next episode. I miss my dog. Finally, we have some cow farm. Oh my god, that was close. Oops. Oh my god. I'm gonna exchange my armor. I had too many armor downstairs. Hopefully there's still a gold. Yeah, my armor is fine. There we go. There we go. We have full gold armor. Oh, you sneak. You sneak. Okay, I will do a episode. We will bury this wool because this is from Harry. But I still can't believe there's a party in the lab. You know what? I think the party in the lab is cool, so I'm gonna check it out before I end this video. Oh my god, this party in the lab is cool. Let's do this. Oh my god, it's cool. I love you, my boy. Guys, there we go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.